All right, everybody, welcome. It's Nick from Tractor Time Equipment, and I thought it'd be worthwhile just discussing the differences between, let's say, a box scraper and the applications for a box scraper, as well as a variation of the box scraper called a grader scraper. Grader scraper's next to me here, and as you can see, the unit has scarifiers, which right now are not being used. They're pointing up, and two offset cutting edges, and the back of the implement is open. So you do not build material into the box as you would with a box scraper. We'll show you that in a second. So this is really designed for maintaining roadways or large graveled areas, or if you want to smooth out like an already broken or cultivated area, it'll do that, and it'll really take the lumps and bumps out of it. But it's really more designed for road maintenance, driveway maintenance, that sort of thing. Generally speaking, they are a little bit more money than a box scraper, but they have a very specific purpose and they're very good at it. If a customer comes in and they say, look, we've got a lot of uneven ground, a box scraper is probably going to be something that we would move to first rather than a grader scraper, because we can actually build material into a box scraper. So if we move over and just have a look at the other unit here. Interestingly for me, this is a nice Canadian-made unit made by a company out of Ontario called MK Martin. So its fit and finish is really good. But a traditional box scraper like this offers the scarifiers, same as the grader scraper, but you'll have two hardened cutting edges, one on the inside of the box and one on the rear of the box. So you can actually use this implement both ways. Normally, most of the time, you're going to be dragging the implement behind the tractor, so pulling it in that direction, and building material into the box and then dropping material out of the box. So if you've got very uneven ground that you'd like to level up, this is going to do a better job of physically relocating soil or material from point A to point B, just because you can actually build a volume of material into the box. At the same time, you can use this in reverse as well, because there's a cutting edge, as you see on the rear. Kind of acts like almost like a dozer blade when you're backing up. So you've got some flexibility in terms of how this gets used, but they're both have their own attributes and have their own applications. It's good to know which way you want to go. If it's primarily road or driveway maintenance, then you want to go with the grader scraper on my left. If you're leveling rough ground that's a pasture or something that's just very uneven, then you potentially might want to look at the box scraper, just because you can actually move that material around more than you would with a grader scraper. So I hope you enjoyed the video today. It's just a quick look at these two cousins, very similar but also different. And if you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe to this video and this channel, and we'll talk to you later. Have a great day.